Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start revision for exam. Unit number
ورحمة الله
4.
وبركاته. أنا محمد الحارثي.
Alaikum salam, Hamid. How are you, Hamid?
السلام عليكم أستاذ معاوية.
Alaikum salam, Muawiyah.
I am fine.
Open your books, page 78. Page 78.
أستاذ أنا قد Hello teacher, I am Ahmed Abdul Halim.
Hello, Ahmed.
نوصل الصفحة.
Page 78, yeah, Habibi.
السلام عليكم أستاذنا سند.
Alaikum salam, Sanad.
السلام عليكم أستاذنا زياد.
Hello, Ziad. Walaikum salam.
Hello teacher.
Hello. So on page 78, we have making shapes with forces. Actually, the topic is forces. So we can make shapes with forces. Describe how forces can change the shape of objects. Forces can change the shapes or the shape of an object.
No teacher, I am Ayham. How are
Hello,
you teacher?
I am fine. How are you, Ahim?
I am fine, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, crumple a piece of paper into the smallest ball that you can. What force you have
What page teacher?
used to do this? Page 78.
87.
So we used push force to crumple a piece of paper. Forces can change the shapes of objects. This can be very useful. Look at what the people are doing in the photos. These photos, you have three. They are using push and pull to make objects we can use and eat.
السلام عليكم أستاذ. أنا منبه سحري.
Alaikum salam, Munabba. On the right side, you can see a picture in which a man is making dough. Dough for pizza maybe, or for bread or something. Okay. The other one is making pot with mud. The other one, on the left side, you can see he is hammering a piece of iron to make maybe scissor or maybe a sword or something with iron. By pull, he is pulling the hammer and then pushing with force.
Teacher, push and pull forces.
Yeah, what are people using to change the shape of materials? Pushing and pulling.
Push and pulls
Yes,
are
push and
forces.
pull. Push and pull. Thank you.
Are
On next
forces.
page, page 79, you have a photo in which you can see some sweets which are made from sweets and fruits. Can you work out how these fruit tarts were made? These are fruit tarts, as you can see.
عليكم أستاذ.
Describe the push and pull forces that were used. So the pastry was rolled flat first using push and pull forces, then pushed into molds. Pushed into molds to make these shapes. Molds, as you know, we use molds to make different shapes. Now page 83. If you have any question, you can ask at any time. Okay, when I will go on next page, you can ask before moving towards next page. If you have anything, you can ask.
أستاذ عادي أنا أقراها.
These are questions I will read and
أيوة أنا أبغى أجاوبها.
okay.
وده السؤال.
Okay. Be with me.
Do the objects go faster on a smooth or
Smooth or
a rough
surface?
surface?
Yes.
On smooth surface.
Okay.
What
Which?
happens to a toy car if you
Give me
do
the
not
answer, Ayham. Ayham.
push
Give me answer.
teacher.
Yes, Turk.
On smooth. I want to answer.
Okay, one by one. Ayham finishes, then you can come. Smooth or rough surface? Do the objects go faster on a smooth or a rough surface? Aywa. On which you can think on smooth the objects will go faster or on a rough surface? Yes, give me the answer.
1 minute.
Okay, on
أستاذ
smooth
أنا
surface. Yes, Muawiyah.
on a smooth surface.
Excellent, yeah, Muawiyah. On smooth surface. Yes.
أستاذ أنا جاوبتها من لما قرأت
أيوة.
السؤال.
Okay. Ayham, okay.
Teacher, I want to answer.
Yes, Turki, you will answer for this question. Rami, give me the answer for this question, please.
Okay.
What happens to a toy car if you do not push it?
It stays still.
Yes, it stays still or it will not move. Very good, Rami. Thank you. Yes, Saud.
عادي جاوب.
Yes, question please.
طيب أستاذ. وين أستاذ؟
This one, second one. What happens to a toy car when you push it very hard? Okay, Nawaf Al-Amri, I got you.
Teacher, أستاذ it is still.
This is I asked you question number 2, Yasoud. What happens to the toy car when you push it very hard?
It will move faster.
Yes, it will move
Mister,
faster.
can
Very
I
good.
answer?
Okay, Ayham. Sorry, Ahmed. Question number 3.
Yes, Mister.
Ziad, I will
happens
ask
when-
you. Ziad, I will ask you question. Wait, please. Yes, what happens to a toy car goes across a rough surface?
As it slows down
Very good. It
quickly.
slows down quickly. Yes, it slows down quickly because the surface is rough. Okay, Faisal, wait. The surface is rough, so it will not move quickly. As you can see here, we gave the answers on smooth surface. Objects go faster. Same, the opposite is rough. So on rough surface, it will slow down. Nawaf Al-Amri, don't open your mic. Okay, Ziad, open your mic.
Teacher.
Yes,
teacher.
Yes, Ziad. When you throw a ball at the wall, what force make it go faster? Page number 86, question number 1.
Push.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Ziad. Okay, Faisal, open your mic. What do you think will happen to the ball when it hits the ball? Hits the wall. Yes, question number 2, page 86, Faisal.
Okay, teacher. It will kill.
Sorry? It will?
That it will
Yeah.
bounce
Bounce Back. It will bounce back, of course. You want to say bounce back. So it will bounce back.
Back.
Yeah, it will bounce back. Thank you. Okay, you have any question about this page, you can ask, okay? I am here to give you answers. Okay, page number 87.
87. Teacher, I want to
Seven.
answer.
I am,
Stop عليه
wait, you answered it before. Let me finish with the other ones also.
عليه علامة ميسي.
Okay.
Muayyad, are you there? Muayyad, Hatim Muayyad.
أيوة أستاذ أنا مؤيد.
Aywa Muayyad. Give me the answer, page 87. When two moving objects hit dash the opposite force, what will you write here in this blank? First one.
أكبر الشاشة مرة ما أشوف.
انت افتح كتاب يا اخي.
طيب.
Page 87, open your book.
إيه.
Hatim, bring your book and then come back. Fahad Hamid, Fahad, are you there? Fahad Saud Al-Bishi. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, Fahad, number one. When two moving objects dash the opposite. Sorry, again.
Can.
Munabba,
Assalamualaikum.
don't raise-
Assalamualaikum, Ustazana Kareem.
How many times I will do this?
What?
Yes, Fahad, what is your answer, please? Objects hit. Muawiyah, don't raise your hand. Muawiyah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, don't raise your hand. Yes, Fahad, Saud
أنا
Al-Bishi.
قفلت بس رجع.
Fahad, Saud Al-Bishi, give me the answer for question number 1, please. When two moving objects hit, what will you write here in this blank? You have 4 words: direction, friction, down, or each other. Come on. Each other. Yes, very good. Okay. When two objects hit each other, the opposite force can make the objects change. What to change? Now give me answer, Kareem. Open your mic.
It was that.
Aywa, 2. Number 2. Force can make change. Objects change dash. What? Page 87, Kareem. Quickly.
Bush.
MashaAllah. Kareem, open your book and Rakis Maana. Be with me. Muhammad Hammam, please open your mic.
Teacher, I want to answer again.
Rami, wait. Okay, let them answer because they didn't answer once. You have given the answer. Okay, so wait. Yes, Muhammad Hammam, are you there?
Yes, Dad.
Aywa. Forces can make the objects change what? Direction, friction, or down?
Direction.
Direction. Very good, Hammam. Muhammad Hammam. Okay. Abdul Aziz, are you there? Abdul Aziz.
Teacher,
Yes, I am.
I want to answer before Abdul Aziz.
I told you, let me finish with all the students. You gave the answer, so wait for your turn, okay? Because everybody wants to answer. You are not the only one in the class. Okay? Rashid, open your mic. Rashid, Rayan, Sanad. Anyone there?
Teacher, I want to answer again. No, teacher. I am موجود.
Rayan, okay. When two objects hit each other, dash slows down. What is that?
أستاذنا راشد.
Okay, Rashid. Further. Rashid, give me the answer, please.
نعم يا أستاذ. أنا سند.
Sanad, aywa. When two objects hit each other, dash slows. What will you write here in this blank? Number 3.
Number 3. عيد أستاذ.
Number 3, ya Habibi, when two objects hit each other, dash slows the objects. Yes. Sanad, iftah kitab waragis maana ya Habibi. Rashid or Rayan, anyone there?
أستاذنا راشد.
Aywa, Rashid, faddal ya Habibi, atini jawab. Give me the answer, please, for number 3.
When two objects hit each other.
Yes. What is the answer here? Dash slows the objects. What is here? Rashid. Allahu Akbar.
Answer.
Atini jawab ya akhi.
Each other.
Nadir, are you there?
Rashid, slow, move each other. Down, down.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, Nadir, give me the answer for third one, 3, number 3, please. Rami, you will give me number 4. Okay, wait. Yes, Nadir, when two objects hit each other, dash slows down.
Yes, teacher, please. I want to answer.
Come on. Rami, number 4.
Number 4.
Yep.
Okay.
Nadir, I can't hear you.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Object down.
Down. Very good, yeah, Rami. Like this. Give me the answer like this, everybody. If I ask answer, give me the answer. Alatul. Maafi waqif. Sanad, Rashid, Rayan, everybody. Don't stop. Give me the answer. Open your books, page 87. It is revision. You know every answer. So you should be quick. Ahmed Abdul Halim, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Give me the answer for number 3, please.
Number 3.
Yes.
Friction.
Friction. Yes. Friction slows
Friction.
them down. Yes. This is the right answer. Friction slows the objects down. So now we have paragraph which is, Hussein, are you there?
Thank you, Mister.
You're welcome, Ahmed. Hussein, can you hear me, my friend? Okay, now the paragraph is when two moving objects hit each other, the opposite forces can make the objects change directions. When two objects hit each other, the friction slows the objects down. This is the paragraph now. Okay, now page 87, the same. We have questions for Nawaf Al-Amri. Are you there? Badr, okay, I will ask you. Badr, question number 2, and Nawaf Al-Amri, question number 1.
Teacher, can I answer?
Question number 3, Ziyad. Yes, Badr. Badr, iftah mic ya akhi. Open your mic, my friend. Badr. Badr, can you hear me, Badr?
أستاذ بجاوب.
Yes, Nawaf and Agul. Nawaf Al-Amri, question number 2, please.
شبكة عندي.
Fadal ya Nawaf.
Number 1.
Number 2, ya akhi.
Right.
Give an example of a force that changes the direction of an object.
هذا يسأل سؤال.
grave in every meal of a fork
Teacher.
that yes.
Nawaf Al-Amri, give me the answer only, please. Bas jawab. Give
Fine,
an.
sir.
Aywa. Sawal number 2. Give me the answer, please.
طيب أستاذ.
Aywa, faddal. Badr Zahrani, can you hear me? Open your mic.
موجود أستاذ.
Aywa,
موجود
Badr.
أنا بدر.
Nawaf Al-Amri, you can.
موجود أنا أستاذ أنا بدر.
Badr, question number 1, ya akhi. Question number 1, sawal awwal. Question number 1.
السؤال الأول.
Aywa, page 87. Name the force that give us grip on our shoes.
Friendship.
Friction. Very good, ya Badr. Excellent. Faddal ya Nawaf Al-Amri. Can you there now? Are you there now? Sorry. Can you hear
Yes.
me? Yes. Give me answer now. Atini jawab.
أوكي. إيه أستاذ بفكر.
فكر. يعني ما في مكتوب. Nawaf, you should watch the videos on YouTube and you can. Saud, faddal ya akhi. Give an example of the force.
ناديتني.
Yes. Answer. Question number 287.
لازم طيب أستاذ. ممكن أجاوبها.
Saud Ali, can you hear me?
أستاذ بوش. Force. Sin.
Yes, very good.
أيوة،
Push
أيوة،
and
start.
friction. Khalas. Thank you, Saud. Push
Push,
and friction.
push,
Thank you. Okay,
أيوة،
thank you.
Teacher, I want
Yes.
to answer.
Yes, Ayham. Last question. When is the friction useful?
أستاذ بجاوب مرة ثانية أنا بدر.
Down
Abshir
and
Badr, Abshir.
giving grip.
Yes, very good. Giving grip. Thank you.
Does
Yes, Muawiyah, question number 1.
number 1.
Yep.
Name the force that gives us grip on our shoes.
Aywa.
Friction.
Friction. Friction. Not frication.
Friction.
Friction. Thank you, Muawiyah. Okay, Badr, question number 3. Hamid, question number 2.
Teacher.
Question number 2, ya Hamid.
أستاذ أنا بدر. أستاذ أنا بدر.
Abshir Badr, question number 3. Faisal, wait.
Number 3.
Yeah. Hamid, question number 2.
Teacher. Number 4. Push and friction.
Excellent, ya Hamid. Thank you. Yes, Badr, Fadr. Question number 3.
Number 3. For snow, shawl,
Slowing.
and
For
slowing.
slowing. Aywa.
Long.
Okay, Baden.
Teacher, I want to
Yes,
answer.
Rami, question number 3. ya akhi. Rami, question number 3.
Song.
Okay, Badr isma mazboot, ha? Rami, give me the answer for question number 3.
Okay, teacher. For slowing things down and giving grip.
Excellent, ya Rami. Excellent. Okay, for slowing things down, Badr isma mazboot. For slowing things down and giving grip. And giving grip. ريان هذا كلام ممكن 3 مرات يا اخي انت ما في رد. الحين انتظار شويه. Wait for some time. Okay. Faisal.
نعم أستاذ.
Aywa, question number 1, page 88. 88 or what?
نيوتن.
Newtons. Yeah, Faisal, excellent. Newtons. Thank you. Okay. Ziyad, question number 2. What units do we use to measure? Huh?
Kilograms and grams.
Excellent. Like this. Answer like this. Yani within a second. Thank you. Okay. Fahad Saud Al-Bishi.
Yes, Mister.
Aywa. In gravity, is gravity change on Earth or on the moon?
Air.
On the Earth. Excellent, ya Fahad. Very good. Abdul Aziz, can you hear me? Rayan, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Question number 2. What units do we use to measure mass? Ziyad. Okay.
Teacher,
Ha, Rayan. Come on. Kilograms and grams.
and grams.
Aywa. Kilograms and grams. Okay. Muayyad, open your mic.
Thank you, teacher.
Rami, what you need?
Teacher, I want to answer again.
Excellent,
after my-
teacher.
Rami, wait for others. We have 23 students. You should wait, Rami, one by one. Yes, I asked for who? Muayyad, are you there? Muawiya, open your mic.
نعم أستاذ.
Aywa, what is mold?
What is mold? Something we use to make shapes.
Excellent, yeah, Muawiya, excellent. Okay, last page. Okay, one question left, yeah. Name 2 kinds of forces that change the shapes of an object. Easiest question, Kareem. Kareem, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Kareem, give me the answer. Name 2 kinds of forces that change the shapes of objects.
No, Ustaz.
What?
Mama.
Quickly, Kareem, please.
Yes, yes. No, from.
Yes,
No.
Yes,
Push and pull. Yeah, Kareem. Push and pull are the forces. You can see in these pictures also. Push and pull. These are 2 pictures which we discussed before. Okay.
Ustaz.
Yep. Yes, Muawiya.
نحفظ زي المربعات عشان هذا نحل الاختبار.
Inshallah, you will have next week. You will have exam from same pages, from the same unit. Okay, unit number 4. from the
يعني زي
same page.
المربعات احفظها.
Yes, yani you will learn all the answers. Okay, that's why I am revising with you today. Okay, you will revise with me for the exam. What happens to a toy car when you increase the pushing force? Who will answer?
Teacher,
I didn't
it
hear.
goes faster.
Yeah, excellent, yeah, Kareem. If I say your name, then give me answer. It goes faster. Thank you, Kareem. Okay, Muhammad Humam. Again. Question number 2. How can you change the direction of the toy car? This question.
It goes faster.
Question number 2, I said, Kareem. Yeah, Muhammad Humam.
Number 2.
Yep.
Use passion force in another direction.
Excellent, yeah, Muhammad Humam. Use a pushing force in another direction. So it will change the direction. Okay, question number 3. Who will answer?
أنا
Nadir.
أستاذ ممكن.
Yes, Muawiyah, you gave me answer now. Wait. Ziyad, yes. Yes, Ziyad.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, how can you make something stop?
Pushing.
By?
By pushing.
Okay, Rami, same question.
What, teacher?
Question number 3. How can you make something stop?
Number 3. Okay. Pull it back or yes. Use force
Against?
against the movement.
Very good, Yarami. Excellent. Ziyad, this
can I
was the
answer?
answer. Yes, Munabba, now open your mic.
نعم أستاذ.
Aywa. Question number 4. What is the name of the force between two surfaces that slows the things down?
For a question.
Sorry?
Friction. Friction.
Okay. Thank you, Munabba.
You're welcome.
Okay.
on.
Sorry again, Munabba. What do you want?
أستاذ صفحة
89.
79.
89. أيوة.
مو 89. صفحة 79.
Yes, what you want?
آه،
Yeah, this one.
إيش الزيادة حقتها؟ زيادة.
This one here in this portion?
أنا كاتبة زي ما زي إيه حاجات يعني الزبدة كثيرة يعني برضه حقت 81.
This is page 79. We are just doing the theory, okay? For practical, we did some practicals, but mostly practicals we will do in the school, okay? That's why we are doing that. That's why we left that.
أستاذ طب صفحة 83.
أيوة.
أنا مو خليها
Page 83. Okay, I will send you the video. You can see the video, watch the video and hal ma fi mushkila. Okay? Okay, let me finish and then we will talk about this. Okay, second last question. We are on second last question. Can you name something where we use this force to help us? Okay. Nadir, give me the answer. Question number 2. Nadir, give me the answer, please. Hussein, can you hear me? Badr.
أيوة أستاذ.
Aywa.
Teacher, I can hear you, teacher.
But Hussein, I can't hear you. Your voice is like a radio. Badr, give me the answer. Question number 5. Second last question.
Number 5.
Aywa. Aywa, come on.
بفكر بعدين أرجع.
Abshir ya Badr. Last question, give me the answer. Ahmed Abdul Halim, last question. What happens when two moving objects hit each other?
What, mister?
Last question on page 89. What happens when two objects hit each other?
Shoes and brake.
Can you hear me, Ahmed? I asked you last question.
Yes, mister.
Yes. When two moving objects hit each other, what will happen?
Shoes and brakes.
Ahmed, check your book, please, again. You are giving me answer for second last question, shoes and brakes, where we use friction. I am asking last question from you. I am asking to you the
عندي
last question.
استفسار.
Aywa Asil, question number 5. This question please. Can you name
في يوم أحد اختبار علوم.
لا مو يوم الأحد علوم لا. جدول يجي يا أسيل.
راح
Last question answer is
Mister,
but-
Mister,
yes, I'm
they go in different direction and slow down.
and can slow down. Okay. Badr, you got the answer or not? We are out of time now. Only for
أنا أستاذ ما عرفت الجواب.
جواب
أستاذ
يعني
ممكن
three
أنا
minutes.
finish.
Yes, Muawiyah.
Shows breaks.
Excellent, yeah, Muawiyah. You are best. So, friction is used in brakes and shoes. Okay. So, last question, they go in different directions and
Okay.
can slow down. Excellent. All of you, you participated well. If you have any question and you feel anything to ask, you can ask freely in WhatsApp. Okay. For Munabba and others, look, this is your Google Drive. Okay. You will open science.
Goodbye, teacher.
Then you will open second term, Ismaya Habibi. Second term, then you open videos, attractive videos and exercises. You will find all the videos here. You have 9 videos. Today I will upload 10th. So you will find لو يبغى أي شيء هل أو يبغى يشوف أي فيديو قديم you will find here. Grade 3, second term, science, second term, interactive videos. Okay.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay, boys. Thank you.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thanks for joining.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Goodbye.